Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today will give you detailed instructions to get rid of CAPTCHAbros.com fake human verification alerts. Some people may see these alerts, and this will be a very distracting experience, of course. People see these pop-ups because they could visit some hacked or compromised website, or because their computer could be infected by some adware type application. Now, speaking about adware, very often it is spread through integration with some free applications, so people might not realize that they are actually installing something else in addition to the main free program of their choice. Now, if you ever see these CAPTCHAbros.com pop-ups, be careful not to interact with them. Stay away from clicking on this allow button integrated into the pop-up. If you do that by mistake, of course, your browser will be hijacked. You will be then redirected to some other questionable place. Plus, you'll start getting a lot of ads that will be popping up randomly in the right bottom part of your screen. If the allow button was clicked, you need to fix your browser. So now I'll show you how to fix your browser manually. Go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security area, click on Site Settings, then go down to the Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the bottom of the list that displays websites allowed to send notifications. And delete any junk sites that you find here. Finally, I would recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and then carefully researching your computer to be sure that it is free of any other hidden infections.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed the Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are three scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you will only be able to activate these two important features, these two important security mechanisms, with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and our important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats. And you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.